Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, April 18th, gangbuster news. We had to filter it down from about 12 candidates to 5. For more Chinese shows, go over to ChinaSecurities.com. But here's the main show. First up, PC Gold, PKL, the big board TSX. They announced an initial 1.26 million ounce gold resource. This is a 4311 compliant mineral resource estimate for the Pickle Grow gold mine in northwestern Ontario. The resource is entirely classified as inferred mineral resources, and it's comprising both potential underground and open pit mineable mineralization. About the company here, they own 100% of the Pickle Crow, which they say is one of Canada's best known past producing gold mine, and the company believes there's considerable gold left in place within or close to the mine. Closed on Friday, $1.07, 62 on the 52-week low, $1.67 on the high. Today, don't have a number for it right now. Let me get over to it. Looks like PC Gold is going to open around 107, so not a lot of excitement out of that one. Scorpio trades on the TSX under SPM, announced record quarterly production in the first quarter. Parviz Farsangi, president CEO of the company, said, our operation overcame some setbacks to produce better than forecasted overall metal. That's why I want to include that here. Combined with current high metal prices and cash proceeds of about $5.17 million from a recent private placement, it looks like the company says they're well placed to eliminate their debt during the coming month. Always a good sign. That may provide some elevation to the share price. Looks like they've got silver, zinc, copper, lead. I'm going to give you that they recovered their silver equivalent ounces. That's all together about 862,000 ounces. That's up 74% compared to the same quarter last year. Big number here. This project is located in Mexico. Closed at $1.43 on Friday, 61 cents at the low, $1.65 on the high. Scorpio this morning going to open up a bit at $1.46 right now. That's the indication. So market likes that news. Switching over to China. APower trades there on the NASDAQ on the stock symbol APWR. They announced the signing of an MOU to develop a heat and power generation plant. Looks like it's going to combine to provide heat and power generation for a local area consisting of two 25 megawatt power generation units. All in cost of the project estimated to be about $75 million. You got to like that. They closed on Friday at 409. 52-week high, 11.15. 52-week low, $4. They're right at the 52-week low. You know what's going on in China. Babies being thrown at the bathwater. If you can identify companies that are going to be real and not going to get caught up in any of these financial fraud situations, you can make a ton of money. I'm remaining patient, sitting on the sidelines, but we're watching closely. I recommend you do as well. Switching back to venture, Goldrush Resources, GOD, that's right, God, has announced 1.82 grams ton of gold over 37 meters, including 2.95 grams over 60 meters. This is at their project in Burkina Faso. These are assay results from the first 15 holes of a drill program on their Rouchon gold deposit, which right now is 250,000 ounce inferred resource. Closed on Friday, 17 cents, 52-week range, 7 and 30. So they're pretty much sitting dead smack in the middle. Let's see what Goldrush is looking like today. Looks like it's going to open up slightly at 18 cents, so a bit of a bump there. And finally, not all that glitters is gold. And one of our clients, very proud, Rouchon Industries, trades on the stock symbol RCHN, announced that they received their Editor's Choice Award from Tweaktown. Rouchon is a leading producer of advanced air and liquid cooling solutions for the IT industry, and they really are. You got to take a look at their fundamentals there. This is a much sought-after Tweaktown Editor's Choice Award. They're very influential in this regard. Their new air cooling system, the Polaris 120, for Intel and AMD processors. It was a 7-page intensive review, analyzed every aspect of the company. I went through it myself, actually. Here's what Tweaktown concluded after those 7 pages. SwiftTech, that's the operating arm of Rouchon Industries, not only offers you great results, an attractive cooler, and a more attractive price, they do in the least amount of room as needed to get the job done. Well worth every penny. I'm telling everybody to buy SwiftTech's Polaris 120. These reasons why I gave SwiftTech the Editor's Choice Award. That's big coming out of a company as influential as Tweaktown. Gabe Rouchon, chairman of the company, had a quote. Here's an excerpt. With Tweaktown being a major opinion maker in our business, Their bestowed distinction will give us a jump start on marketing our product to customers around the world. Big news there. Close on Friday at 5 cents. Again, that is the AGORACOM client, but we don't talk about AGORACOM clients unless the news stands on its own 2 feet. That's a wrap. If you look for more great small cap companies, you're watching this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to look at companies we covered today and other pages, other companies over the past few days. Otherwise, get yourself to the front page of AGORACOM if you're not already there. Watch this show. Take a look at the best headlines right on the front page and get into a directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.